How to get your calendar and taskbar on Windows. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how you can do that. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply head over to the notification section or just the date and time option right here. And sometimes what happens is your calendar might be hidden like this. So if you just click on it on the up arrow like this, it will just bring out your calendar and you could just go ahead and see the calendar. But even if you do that and you're still not able to see this, then you're going to have to open your task manager first. Right click on this, go to task manager and go to processes. From here, all you're going to have to do is find Windows Explorer, right click on it and restart this process. Click on restart. So what happens is it will completely refresh your Windows Explorer and you should get your taskbar back. Now, if this still doesn't work, then you're going to have to go to your taskbar settings. Right click on the taskbar, go to the settings. And once you open up taskbar settings, you can scroll down and change date and time zone if you want. And here you can change the taskbar behaviors. Sometimes you might have turned on automatically hide taskbar, so only when you bring your cursor down, you'll see your taskbar. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.